What is going on, guys? It's AJ here at not the House of Masks again. I am actually at work. Picked up a box on my way to work and I'm going to do another unboxing. 2 unboxings in a row. This box is from my friend Joey, After Darkness Productions on Instagram. Some of you guys probably already follow him. He was a part of the Nomad project and he decided to send me a box of gifts. And I didn't want to wait for Mailbox Monday because I want these. Okay. First up, we have a piece of fan art. Very cool. He's even got the annoying piece of hair that I always complain about in my videos. We've got a dried up dead lizard. Look, there's that piece of hair. We've got, I like turtles. Now the masks. Super excited for these. These look fantastic. But wait, there's more. We've got a death mask of his actual face. And lastly, a blank All Hope Is Gone cast for me to paint. And I am excited to get that started. Very much for the package. I went ahead and came outside so I could talk a little louder. There's a bunch of clients and stuff in the shop that probably think that I was fucking crazy if I was in there talking to myself. So yeah, thank you. The drawing's fucking awesome. Those masks are beautiful. If you guys want to purchase a mask from Joey, hit him up. I'm not sure how he goes about selling them, but I'm not gonna say anything because I don't know. So yeah, just contact him, see what you guys can work out. And yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you very, very much, Joey. I definitely appreciate it. We'll see you guys tomorrow.